YouTube. We are doing, I've got a pork shoulder, a pork butt on the smoker. I'm doing some homemade barbecue picked beans to go with it, but they're going to be two separate videos. So, as you can see, I already fried up some lovely jubbly bacon, onion, mushroom, fresh tomatoes. It's going to be brown sugar, paprika, a little bit of cayenne, salt, pepper, obviously your baked beans, molasses, garlic powder, and some bacon and maple barbecue sauce. Yeah, it's going to be yummy. You can put anything you like in. I didn't have any bell peppers, otherwise I'd have put some bell peppers in there, but that ain't happening. So let me get this in there and get it cooked down, sweated down a little bit, and I'll bring you back. Right, I've got the base of the beans. This is all going to, once I get it simmering here for about half an hour, and then it does go on the smoker for about 2 hours to get some lovely jubbly smoke in there. Okay, let's start building this. Let's get these beans built. Obviously, I'm using some good old British Heinz baked beans. I'm not sure if I'm going to go with 1 tin or 2, but we'll see at the end. Lovely! We are going in with a little bit brown sugar. Slight little bit of, I'm trying to keep the heat down on these ones because I've got people coming round. A little bit of cayenne pepper. I don't know how hot they like their stuff. Some of my homemade rub. Get that in there. Some kosher salt. Just a sprinkle. Black pepper. Get you in there. Some molasses. Come on, baby. Some of that in there. I might add, I might not. So, I'll open this jar. Lovely jubbly garlic. Now, you've probably seen me do this 100 times and say you can never have enough garlic. So we're going in with 2 spoons. Make this a quick. Sorry about the movement today, but my camera's charging and I actually prefer the camera on the phone, so I'm trying to use the phone camera. I just need to get a stand for it. I'll use the phone camera a little bit more. Right, last but not least, obviously some barbecue sauce. La da. It's enough to make you sing. La da 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 da. There we go. But like I say, this goes on the smoker for about 2 hours. I'm going to let it simmer in here for a good half hour. As she goes on the smoker, gets the nice smoky taste in there. I think we've got enough baked beans in there, people, don't you? I think so. There we go. Let them flavours all get to know each other in there, and I might add, like I said, might add a little bit of Frank's Red Hot or something later on in the game. Okay, peeps. catch up soon. Well, barbecue baked beans. I ended up putting a little bit of Frank's Red Hot because I like them spicy. I couldn't help it if other people's coming round. Woo! They got a bite to them. Anyway, have a look at this. Look at that. All that bacon bean goodness. Taste test. I'm telling you. Fantastic. If you don't want the bite, just don't put any hot sauce or cayenne in it. But me personally, I think the bite makes it. Try them beans out, guys. Beautiful. Don't forget to like, ding ding ding, hit the bell and subscribe. There's plenty more coming. I got friends coming, so we're going to be in the pool doing a big pork shoulder, jalapeno poppers, baked beans, but I'm making different videos because it'd be too long otherwise. Stay tuned, guys, stay tuned.